Question number 1. What's the tallest mountain in the world?
The tallest mountain in the world? What a stupid question. What a stupid question. All mountains are tall. It's not like you're gonna find a midget mountain.
Okay. Which animal is only found in North America? The bald eagle, the kangaroo, or the tiger?
Okay. Bald eagle can fly anywhere. He doesn't need a visa. Okay, kangaroo can jump. Maybe the tiger?
No, it's the bald eagle.
By the way, I never liked bald eagle.
Why?
Because the bald eagle has a lot of white hair and he calls himself bald. He's like fake news. CNN, Fox News.
Oh dear.